So, Google just dropped Veo 3.1, and honestly, the results are insane. People are already using it to create UGC-style product reviews, just like this page here, and they are getting tons of views. You have probably seen those short, natural-looking product videos all over your feed. Well, most of them are now powered by Veo 3.1. In today's video, I will show you how you can get access to Veo 3.1 for free, and even better, how you can automate your entire video generation process using n8n. Now, before we jump into the video, let's take a quick preview. So this is my workflow. To get this exact workflow, all you have to do is to join my Discord server. You will find both my old workflows and the new updated one inside the resources section. Just download the workflow, import into your n8n instance, and from here, simply click on this execute workflow button. Now you have just need to add 3 reference images and your prompt. In my case, I have used these 3 images right here. Once you have added your prompt, just hit submit and that's it. The workflow takes over automatically. Google Veo 3.1 comes packed with some really powerful features like text to video, image to video, and even frame to video generation. The most mind-blowing feature is the reference to video option. With this, you can actually provide reference images and Veo 3.1 will generate a video based on these visuals, just like this one we created. Now we have get the preview of our workflow. Now let's understand how you can get Veo 3.1 for free and how you can configure this work. Now, in order to get Veo 3.1 for free, you have to just search for Google Console Cloud and hit enter. Now just simply click on this second link, which is Google Cloud Console, and from here it will take you to this dashboard of Google Cloud where you have to create a project. So I have already done that. If you are with the new account, you will get this pop-up of start your free trial with 300 in credits. So in order to get that, you have to just simply click on this button, and from here you have to choose your country and click on this agree and continue. And after that, you have to set up your billing information. Now first fill out your contact information just like I did. So I don't need to change. I have just simply selected that. And now you have to in the second section, you have to set up your payment method. Just simply click on this setup payment method. Right now I have already set up my QR code, so I don't need to do that. You can set up debit card and credit card. After setting up, just simply click on this start free trial. And I'm using UPI, so I will get this scanner. So I have to just simply scan this QR code. And if you are using credit card or debit card, you will have to pay around 2 or 3 rupees in advance. If your trial has been started, then you will see your credit in the dashboard of your Google Cloud. But if the trial has been not started, then the credit will not show. Right now, I have used around 5,000 of credits out of 1,15,000 credits. So you will get all of these credits for free, and you can use these credits to generate videos and to generate images, or you can use Gemini as well. Before you set up payment method, I want to give a little information. When you are setting your billing account, you have to pay around 1K as a prepayment for Google's payment authentication. So after that, you can get that refund. As you can see, let me just show you. I have already applied for refund, and if I go, as you can see, it's saying the paid account. Right now I'm not on trial account, but I can use those free credits which I got earlier. So let me just go to payment overview. From here, a lot of people ask me they have to pay 1K, but they did not get the refund. But let me just show you. As you can see, it's saying refund in progress. So I have made a 1K payment on October 24, and then I got the refund. It will give me around like 2 November, as I said. So you can get the refund, but yeah, that's it. You don't need to worry about 1K prepayment. So now once you get the credits, you can use those credits into your Vertex AI. So go to your Vertex AI Studio. before going that, you have to enable the API of Vertex AI Studio. That's not complicated. You can go to this library, API and library. In the API services section, you will find this library. In that, you can find Vertex AI. Just enable that API. Now, as you can see, I can have access of Gemini native images. Then you have Veo 3.1 as a preview. You can use into the Vertex AI playground. So you don't need to create automation if you are just want to try over here. But if you want to create automation, I will show you how you can configure that. So I hope you join my Discord, and if you get any kind of error or if you have any kind of doubt, you can come to my Discord server and ask me a question over there. Now let's get to our n8n and configure all of the things which are necessary to generate Veo 3.1. This is our workflow. So let's understand how things are working over here. So this is our first node, which takes the images and the prompt from our device. So you can, instead of using the form node, you can use Google Drive as well. But right now images are in platform. That's why I'm using this node. Now after this, right now we are using these 3 nodes to convert images into base 64 string. Now why we are doing this? Because Vertex AI, which is we are using to generate Veo 3.1, needs base 64 encoded. So that's why we have to convert our images into base 64. Now after this, this is the node which merge these 3 base 64 into one place. Now then after we have this AI agents, which is basically enhance the prompt to generate a good quality video. So if you want to make changes in it, you can make it. So I have already simply set up for this. This is of my prompt. So you can take this prompt or you can modify as well. Now I have connected Gemini chat model with the AI enhanced prompt. If you want to connect with the chat GPT or any other LLMs, you can connect it. Now after this, we have this set node where I have set something like enhanced prompt, which is basically it will automatically fetch the enhanced prompt into here. Then I have this image mean type, which is basically image, what format image is. So like JPEG or PNG. So make sure you have PNG. So these are the 2 things the Vertex AI accepts. Now after this, we have this video generation section. So when you open this is Vertex AI. Where what it does is basically send the request to the Vertex AI to generate the video. This is the URL. So if you get any kind of mistake or any kind of things, you can come to my Discord and ask question over there. Now then we have this authentication. So I have set this authentication to predefined credential type. Into that we have set up this Google OAuth 2 API. I will show you how you can set up this Google OAuth 2 API. So you don't need to get the access token again and again and put it 1 hour after that. Then we have this send body. So which is basically we send the instruction what kind of video we want to generate. Right now it is showing red because I have to execute workflow again. I have to unpin this form node. So you don't need to worry about that too. So whenever you download, it will be set up everything. Now if you want to just have 2 preference images, so what you can do is remove this part and you can good to go. Now after that, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the parameter of the video like aspect ratio, a sample count. So by default, I have set the sample count to 4. Now we'll change to 1. Then we have a duration second. So Vertex AI allows you to create 4 second, 6 second and 8 second videos. I will choose 8 second. Now personal generation is allow adult. Now then you have different parameter. I will show you. I will give the Vertex AI documentation in the description. You can read and based on that you can make JSON of your that. Now after that we have this wait node which is set to 1 second by default. Right now I have to change to 30 seconds. Now what it does is basically holds the whole workflow to 30 seconds. So as we all know, the Vertex AI or any different provider takes time to generate video. It takes a little bit time to generate video, so that's why we have to wait. So our workflow automatically wait for 30 seconds. Then we have this full video generation status. What it does is basically ask Vertex AI, is there my video is generated or not? So it will ask that. Basically check the status whether the video has been generated or not. Now as you can see, this is the URL of setup. You have to set up. Now then we have the authentication. I will show you how you can set the authentication. Then after that we have this body content type. I have set this operation name to JSON name, which what it does is basically takes the project file, something like this, and check the status of this project file. So, and after that we have this if complete node, which is basically if the video has been generated, then it will send to this node. If the video has been not generated, then it will go back and wait for 30 seconds. Now then we have this node, which is basically convert base64 string to file. So as what we did here is we have convert image into base64. Now Vertex AI will provide you video in the form of base64 string. So now we have to convert that base64 string into our file. So that's why I have put this convert to file. Then after that you can access your video in this node. Then we have this Google Drive where it will automatically upload that video into my Google Drive. You can set up anything. You can set up Instagram, and if you want more advanced workflow in this case, you can come to Discord and I will try to build that workflow for you. Or if you are building your workflow, just tell me, I can help in that too. So now let's go and how you can set up each step one by one. What you have to do is there is no complication. You have to just set up the authentication over here. So let me just open the authentication and click on this you have to select the predefined credential type, and then after that you have to select the Google OAuth to API. Make sure you have selected this, and then what you have to do is click on this create new credential, and you will get OAuth redirect URL. Now what you need is a client ID and client secret. Let's find out how you can get that. So I will go back to my Google Cloud, and from here what you need is to go to API and services, and from here you have to go to OAuth consent screen. And right now I guess I have already created OAuth consent screen, so I will not get to create again. I have already created OAuth consent screen. If you are new and you haven't created OAuth consent screen, you will get to see option of get started. You have to just simply click on this get started button, and then you have to enter your name and the email address to contact you. So you have to just simply put that amount of things and just simply save that information. Now after creating, you have to go to clients. From here you have to create a credential for your client. Now I will click on this create client button from the top, or if you're new you will get the option. From here you have to select the web application. You have to give a name, and then from here you have to give authorization redirect URL, so which we have copied from here. Just copy this and paste it over here. Now just simply click on this create button. From here you will get the client ID and client secret. Just copy this and paste into here and get back, and you have just copy the secret as well, paste this here. Now we need scope, so what I'm gonna do is I will paste this into description, so you can just copy and paste it into your scope section. That's it. Now after that you will get the sign the Google. Before you are doing that, what you need to do is first of all you have to save this, and then you have to go to audience. You have to publish your app. Just simply click on this publish app button over here, and then you have to confirm. So it basically publish your app in the web, so you can access into your n8n. Get back to your n8n and click on this sign with Google. Now after that you have to choose your account. After signing your account, and then you will get something like this. You don't need to worry about this. Just simply click on this advanced option, and from here you have to go to click on this link, and then you have to give permission. Now it will check. Let me just get back to our n8n. As you can see, the account has been connected successfully. You just need to close this. Now everything is set up, so you don't need to change. If you want to try, you can try, and if you want to add more modification into this workflow, you can add that too. Let me just show you the documentation of Vertex AI. So let me just get back to Vertex AI Studio, and in the Vertex AI Studio you will find the documentation in the left side bottom. Click on that, it will take you to the next page where you can access all related to the Veo 3. Right now we are in the generated content. From here, what you need to do is you have to go to your video generation API. Now, as you can see, we are on this page. So from here, you can access all the information related to the Veo video generation. So right now we are going to play with this Veo 3.1 generate preview. So click on that. And from here, as you can see, this is capabilities. And as if you want to create, for example, text to video or image to video or some like generate video from the first and last frame. For example, if you want to create or make automation on this, you have just simply click on this link. It will take you to this page where you can get all the information, how you can set up your HTTP node, what you can modify, everything related to that. You have to just copy and fill the information related to that. Now, if you get any confusion over here, you can come to Discord and chat with us. So yeah, this is the documentation. So let's get back to our n8n. And now we will perform a simple demonstration. Let me just change my authentication from here. Now click on this execute workflow button. And from here, I will choose this image, which I have downloaded. Okay, there we go. So I have downloaded a lot of image. So let me just, okay. So this is, and then I will choose the image 2, which is this one. And I will choose image C, which is our product. So what I have to add a video description. So for example, what we are going to do is, now as you can see, I have added this video description, which is very rough. So now what I am going to do, I will just simply click on the submit button. And from here, it will start generating the video. As you can see, the workflow start working. It will take 1 or 2 minutes or 30 seconds to generate the video. So I will show you the video. Now we have successfully created a video. Just take a look. Let me just open this, and there we go. So yeah, this is how you can create videos in n8n using Veo 3.1. So the output was pretty good. If you see the character and the spacesuit and the bottle is very consistent, which we have uploaded earlier. So yeah, that's how you can create. And if you get any kind of error, you can come to our Discord server. You can ask question there, and you can get this workflow access in the Discord. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then